Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change crosshair colors in Battlefield 6. Let's get started. If you've noticed that the default white crosshair blends into bright areas or smoke, you can make it much more visible with just a few quick settings changes. First, press Options on your controller or go to the settings. Then, go to Graphics tab from the sidebar. Now scroll down until you find icons and indicators. Then open the crosshairs and indicators. Here, you'll find the several customization settings like intensity, color, thickness, and heat color changes. If your crosshair seems too faint, increase the intensity slider to a higher value. And to change your crosshair color, simply add or adjust the color settings until you find something that stands out more. You can also customize the hit markers, headshot colors, and more for better visibility during gunfights. And once you're done, jump back into a match and test it out. Most players find colors like green or bright yellow work great in both light or dark environments. But pick whatever works best for you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.